But every now and then, you know, Bella likes to show out. So she likes to have her face beat to the gods and lashes to the Himalayas, honey, so everybody can see me. Hallelujah! I got 2 liners from my job as well from CLE Cosmetics. This is the Fluid Touch Liquid Eyeliner. I have one in dark brown and the other one is in black. I'm going to use the dark brown because that's not a color I typically use as a liner here, especially as a liquid liner. But oh, I love the packaging. It has a nice little heft to it. They say it is a long-lasting waterproof eyeliner that nourishes and is gentle enough for sensitive eyes. So if you have sensitive eyes, which I have contacts, so that kind of makes my eyes sensitive, that this is a good product for that. It says the liner's artfully flat brush. Ooh, let's see the brush. Okay, okay. The liner's artful flat brush is designed for easy, ultra precise definition, creating everything from fine lines to thick flicks with ease. So you shake it well, which I did before applying. Use very light pressure for fine exact lines and add more pressure to create a thicker, bolder eyeliner look. After applying, we suggest letting the liner set around the eyes for 10 seconds before fully opening your eyes for optimal application. Store horizontally when not at use. Okay, because I usually store my liners like this. They say to store it horizontally. Good to know. All right, let's begin. And again, this is dark brown. And I am going to start off with a finer line and then slowly go in to make it deeper before I start to flick it outward to create a wing. I'm going to tell you, it's very pigmented. It's very soft. Okay, I love it. I love it. All right, let's go to the problem eye now, because you all know this left eye always gives me issues with creating symmetry when it comes to putting on eyeliner. If you are like me and eyeliner usually is not your thing, but every now and then you want to do like a little wing, I have to say this is very nice. I think one is thicker than the other. Let me thicken up this one just a tad. Perfect. Look at that. Come on, Shannon, with the symmetry. I see you, girl. I see you. Thank you for the PR beauty tap. And yeah, I love the facial oil. And the liners were really good as well. I tried the dark brown on here. It does not look dark brown. Like, it looks pretty deep. So I would say you can get either dark brown or black. It's going to give you, maybe the black will give you a little bit more deepness because it is ebony, but honey, this dark brown is no slouch. It's no slouch at all. So I really love that. And the rest of the products as well. Again, if you're new and you like what I do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as my old people, don't forget to give me a thumbs up too. Now you ain't too seasoned not to know how to do that. Okay, all right, thank you. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload or go live. And until next time, you have now been Bellafied.